राम राम हरे। मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमं वन्दे श्रीगुरुं नितारणं परमानन्दमाधवं श्रीचैतन्य ईश्वरम्. So today we are going to sing a beautiful song by Bhaktivinoda Thakur. This is also known as the Ekadashi song, sung on Ekadashi, and today being Shattila Ekadashi, we will sing this wonderful song. Devotees are requested to memorize this song and chant during every Ekadashi. Okay, so we will begin. I will sing and then after every paragraph I will explain the meaning. Shuddha Bhakata Charana Renu Bhajana Anukulam Shuddha Bhakata Charana Renu Bhajana Anukulam भक्त सेवा परम सिद्धि प्रेमालतिकार मूला भक्त सेवा परम सिद्धि प्रेमालतिकार मूला. So the meaning of this is Shuddha Bhagata is pure devotees. Charana Renu is the dust of the lotus feet. So the dust of the lotus feet of a pure devotee, bhajana anukula. It is very conducive for doing bhajan. It is very good for us if we take the dust of the lotus feet of a pure devotee for our bhajan, for our sadhana. Bhakata seva parama siddhi. To serve a devotee, a pure devotee, Shuddha Bhakata, to do his seva is param siddhi. So we will get our final goal, Prema Latikara Mula, and it's also the root of the tree of or a creeper. Latika is creeper. Latika means creeper. Prema means love. So the creeper of love. And Mula means root. So is the root of the creeper of love. Madhavati थी भक्ति जननी जतन पालन कोरी माधवती थी भक्ति जननी जतन पालन कोरी कृष्णा वसती वसती बोली परमादरे बोरी कृष्णा वसती वसती बोली परमादरे बोरी. Madhava Tithi means Ekadashi. It's the Tithi of Madhava, that is Krishna, that is Ekadashi. Bhakti Janani, she is the mother of devotion. Jatana Palana Kori, with great care. Jatane is with great care. Palana means to take care. Kori means to do. So we have to take care of the our bhakti, and we have to take care very carefully of this tithi, which is called Madhav Tithi or Ekadashi. Krishna Basati Vasati Boli Parama Adare Boli. Aruna, can you just show the translation exactly? What is the translation? Yeah. I don't want it. Okay. Krishna Basati means here it's mentioned it's the place where the Lord resides. So wherever Krishna resides, Krishna Basati, as Parama Adare means with great awe and reverence. Parama Adare with great, Bada means body is Bada, that is big, with great. With great, Parama means greatest. With greatest awe and reverence, I will worship, worship the Krishna's residence, that is Vrindavan, place where the Lord resides. Then he goes, Gaura Mara Jasabhasthani कोरालो भ्रमण रंगे गौरा महाराज सब स्थाने कोरालो भ्रमण रंगे से सब स्थान फेरी बोआमी प्रणयी भकत संगे से सब स्थान फेरी बोआमी प्रणयी भकत संगे. Gauramar, that means my Gauranga, our Gauranga. Je Sabasthane, all those places. Sthane means all those places. Koralo Brahmana Range, who went around roaming about in all those places, Sei Sabasthana, all those places, Heri Boami, I will go and visit. I will look upon them. I will go and visit. Pranay Bhakata Sanghe, along with very, very intimate devotees of the Lord or very great devotees of the Lord. So, with devotees of the Lord, Pranay means to be very intimate, and Bhakata Sanghe means intimate devotees. I will go along with them and I will visit all those places visited by Lord Gauranga. Okay. मृदंग वाद्य शुनिते मन अवसर सदा जाचे मृदंग वाद्य शुनिते मन अवसर सदा जाचे गौरविता कीर्तन शुनि आनंदे हृदय नाचे गौरविता कीर्तन शुनि आनंदे हृदय नाचे. Mridanga Vadya means Mridanga. Vadya means the instrument. When the Mridanga is played, Shunite Mana, after hearing that, my mind, Mana, Avasara Sada Jache. That means I am looking for an opportunity. What opportunity? Gaura Vihita Kirtana Shuni. And listening to the Kirtan of Gauranga, Ananda Rudaya Nache. So I am looking for an opportunity to hear Kirtan of Gauranga and dance with happiness. My heart dances with happiness. Anande Hridaya Nache. My heart, Hridaya is heart, Ananda is happiness and bliss. Nache is to dance. Jugala Murti Dekhiya Mon. Jugala Murti Dekhiya Mora. Paramananda Hoya. Jugala Murti Dekhiya Mora. परमानंद होया प्रसाद सेवा करिते होया सकल प्रपंच जय प्रसाद सेवा करिते होया सकल प्रपंच जय. Jugala Murti is Radha Krishna. So the Murti of Radha Krishna, Dekhiya Mora, after seeing them, Parama Ananda Hoya, I feel extreme bliss. Parama is extreme and Ananda is bliss. Hoya. Prasada Seva, after taking Prasadam, Korite Hoya, I feel I've conquered the entire universe. Sakala Prapancha Jaya. जे दीन गृहे भजन देखी गृहते गोलोका भाया जे दीने गृहे भजन देखी गृहते गोलोका भाया चरण सिधु देखिया गंगा सुख सीमा पाया चरण सिधु देखिया गंगा सुख सीमा पाया. Je Dine Grihe, on that day, on those days, when in the Grihe, in the house, I see or perform bhajan, I see bhajan or kirtan taking place in my house, Grihete Goloka Bhaya. At that time, my house becomes like Golok Vrindavan. Charana Sidhu Dekhiya Ganga. So when I see the nectarian Ganga, which has Sidhu is nectar, Charana is lotus feet. So where did Ganga arise from? She arose from the lotus feet of Krishna. So seeing that, Sukha sa Sima Paya. So my bliss knows no bound. My happiness knows no bound. तुलसी देखी जुड़ाए प्राण माधव तो शनि जानी तुलसी देखी जुड़ाए प्राण माधव तो शनि जानी गौर प्रिया शाक सेवने जीवन सार्थक मानी गौर प्रिया शाक सेवने जीवन सार्थक मानी तुलसी देखी upon seeing tulsi jurai pran so my heart is totally enamored and madhava toshani jani upon knowing that she is the she gives bliss to madhava, she gives happiness or she gives satisfaction to Krishna. Gaura Priya Shaka Sevane. Gauranga's favorite shak. Shak is leafy vegetable. So after I eat the leafy vegetable prasadam, which is a favorite of Gauranga, Jivana Sarthakamani, I feel my life is successful. Bhakti Vinod Krishna Bhajane अनुकूल पाए जाहा भक्ति विनोद कृष्ण भजने अनुकूल पाए जाहा प्रति दिवसे परम सुखे स्वीकार करो ताहा प्रति दिवसे परम सुखे स्वीकार करो ताहा. Bhaktivinoda Thakur is saying that that person who is taking Krishna bhajan to be very conducive, very positive, you can say, and what is that word? I'm not getting that word. Enthusiasm. Okay, we can say enthusiasm. I was looking for some other word. It's all right. So those who are getting that Bhakti Vinod, Krishna Bhajane Anukula. Anukul and Pratikul, there are two words. One is favorable, yeah, that's the word. So those who feel they are favorable to Krishna Bhajan. So if we are favorable to Krishna Bhajan also, Bhaktivinoda Thakur thinks that Prati Divase Paramasuke, he will accept them in his association every day. He is willing to accept that person who is favorable to doing Krishna Bhajan every day in his association. So that's the meaning of this song. It's a beautiful song, isn't it?
Yes, it is. Thank you so much. So we will stop the recording here and